Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I'm very excited because today we'll be opening package number 2 of the Advent calendar. Of course, I want to tell you about the meaning of the second Advent Sunday, and that is peace. So let's get right into package number 2. And that is this one right here. I'm going to do exactly the same as I did last week. You guys are going to see it first. I'm going to semi-close my eyes and then we'll check the reveal. Oh, this together. I'm very excited because last week was amazing. Oh, the struggle. Okay, I got it. Let's close my eyes. And you guys will see it first. Oh my. Okay, it's empty. And my mind is blown. Okay, so let's start with the notions. We have rings and sliders, purple rings and sliders. Most of them look like they are the biggest size. I think I have 3 sizes as well here. Okay, it is, well, Madeline calls this color very perry. I would say it's lilac. We have Pico elastic, 1 centimeter, channeling, bra channeling. We have we have the 2 centimeter Pico elastic as well. We got 2 sizes of bra strap, so that means that we have 2 sizes of these rings and sliders as well. I would assume that this is 1 point. I got a raggedy ruler. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, this is a 1.5 and this is a 1.8. We have some extra wide closure. This has 4 hooks and eye. We have the 2 with the 3 row. This is also the 4 with the 3 rows, and this is the 3 with the 3 rows. Okay, mesh fabric power knit, and I think the part that you guys have been waiting for. Oh, look at this. Okay, this is not doing it justice. I'm going to take a picture, but this is like a salmon-y color lace, tulle lace with some purple on it. Stunning. We have some purple tulle lace with some beige, I wanted to say beige, with some beige flowers. The lilac is very prominent here. And we have this this is stretch lace with the galloon edge, with flower prints on it. It's burgundy, it's salmon, it's pink, it's green. It's very spring-like. Oh wow, this is beautiful. I'm telling you, this is beautiful. And I know that this, like the last video, I was in doubt if this was stretch mesh, but I know that this is stretch mesh because I have bought it previously. Ugh, just beautiful. Wait, am I telling lies? Hold on, I'm telling lies. This is this is bra lining, and I know it is because I did get some from Rewear a few months back. So absolutely beautiful, just beautiful. Okay, let me just put everything together and show you. Of course, I'll take a picture from the top view because the camera is really washing everything out. But okay, come on camera, you can do this. Okay, so the laces, the tools, the tool lace, the stretch lace, the bra lining, power knit, strap elastic, closures, pico elastic, bra lining, and the rings and sliders. I hope you guys enjoyed this one as much as I did. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to join me next week because you can see number 3 there. And listen, the entire week I'm looking forward to Sunday morning. I am. So have a great day. Bye.